Are you looking for seat covers to protect your dog from scratching your backseat or kids for your Tesla Model S or for most cars in general? If so, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to ProTech Station. It's great to see you all. Today, I am sharing to you all a product that I have for a few years, and I'm doing a few years later product review feedback of the product. If you like the video, please do me a favor and smash that like button. That really helps and support the channel big time. So this product is a universal backseat cover made by a company called YESYEES. And I found this cover fits perfectly for my Tesla Model S backseat. But the design is designed for universal car back seats, ranging from sedan or SUV, etc. So what caught my eye to get this seat cover is because, the seat cover is rugged design, it can take a beating, designed for if you have like pets, if you're afraid your pets will scratch your leather seats in the back, or kids, spilling juices or water. This seat cover will do the job. It protects your seats, by covering the whole back seats, and still have room for seat belts to loop around the seat covers, so you can still buckle your seat belts while using this seat cover to protect your back seats. So as you can see, after all the beating for the past few years, the seat cover still looks pretty nice and new. Really have to share this product to all and give credit to this well-made design product. So for my Tesla Model S, I have used quite a few seat covers from different manufacturers. But they have their pros and cons. I have actually used expensive ones. Those are like a few $100s, custom-made seat covers. Those are really good, nice fit. But the thing is, once you put the seat cover in, it's really hard to buckle the seatbelts. What's the point of having really nice custom seat covers while you can't really buckle the seatbelts? So I was to the point that I really can't stand my really nice custom seat cover. So I went ahead to Amazon and started looking for seat covers for general use. And I found these, and these are really inexpensive. It was like $30-some at the time of purchase. So I went ahead and ordered it and give it a try. So once I installed them and used them, the first thing I noticed is it doesn't really look as nice as my expensive seat covers. After using it for a while, because of the practicality of the seat covers, I really start to like the seat cover, despite it might not look as nice as my expensive custom-made seat covers. But for the functionality, like for example, waterproof, spill-proof, scratch-proof from pets and stuff, it's really nice in general. So the seat covers fits most cars, and like for example, my Tesla, it has a middle seat seat belt. So this cover does have like two zippers also. You can open apart, slip in, cover your car, then zip it back with your seat belts and stuff. It's really well thought out design. I've actually seen a lot of these generic style seat covers. But one thing that I noticed is the quality of the material that they use are really not that durable. This one is really nice and durable quality. It's really nice and thick, and it's scratch proof and spill proof. And also like for example, the back, it has these like non-slip mesh, so it doesn't really slip on your car once you put it. So it has these anchors that you tuck it in your back seats, and it really make it nice and snug. By the way, I'll be having links on the bottom of the description of this product. If you are curious, interested, or would like to know more about the product, please feel free to check them out. Please stay tuned for the pros and cons conclusion for this seat cover. If you like the video, please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out. Now for the pros and cons conclusion for this seat covers. Let's start with the pros first. First pro of this product is really excellent value for the price. Second pros of this product, it fits Tesla Model S and most cars and trucks SUVs. And another pros of the seat covers is really quality made material, really nice and durable, rugged. And another pros of this seat cover, it has waterproof, spill-proof design. And another pros of this item, it's super easy to install. So let me show you a quick demo of how easy to install this seat cover. So first of all, you just have to tuck in these rubber bands under the seats. Then tuck in the flaps. And then just pull over the strap over the headrest. And another headrest. And zip up the seat belts. And another seatbelt right here. Everything's all Velcro. And lastly, tuck in the rubber band under the seats again. And remember to tuck in the flaps underneath the seats to make it nice and tidy. And there you have it, really easy as 1, 2, 3. Another pros of this item, after a few years from abuse from kids and pets, it still looks pretty new, which is totally awesome. And the final pros of this seat cover is it's washable. Now it's time for the cons of the seat covers. The first con is the seat cover doesn't wrap 100% of the back seat, but it does wrap like, let's say 98% of most of the important part of your back seat. So it covers most area, but not 100%, just to let you know. Another cons for this seat cover, the design may not be for everyone. And the final cons of the seat cover, it only has black, so it doesn't have any other colors for you to choose from to match your theme color of your interior of your car. But if you don't mind the color black, then hey, this seat cover will be a nice fit for general use. If you like this video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am greatly very appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Are you looking for a seat cover? Are you looking for a rugged...
Oh, come on.